Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be using the Aphrodite palette by Bad Habit. Starting off with the face, I'm gonna take my Hangover by Too Faced, Hangover X by Too Faced face primer, and I'm just gonna apply it all over because I'm gonna be using my Born This Way foundation. And what I'm doing is I'm just tapping in the product because I want it to get more tacky so that my foundation can really stick, because I find out that throughout the day my foundation will wear off and I never knew why, and it's because right after I applied my primer I went straight in with my foundation, and that's not good. You have to let your primer dry in order for your foundation to stay on all day, because you can kind of tell by like the middle of the day that like my foundation was wearing off. It looked very dumb, like very cakey, and it looks just like powder was on my face, and that's not what we want at all. So I've learned from my mistakes, yes, and I'm gonna let this dry. So we're gonna give it about a couple seconds to dry, and then we're gonna add our Born This Way foundation. I'm in the shade Natural Beige, and we're just gonna apply this everywhere. So I'm just going to go ahead and begin to blend everything out, and I'm using dabbing motions. I don't want to like smear, like I don't want to like rub, I want to just dab. And guys, a trick that you can use, and I know this is kind of embarrassing, but a trick that you can use is like do a double chin, and it's easier, and I learned that from David Marquez. Just in case, I'm gonna put a second layer of foundation just because I really want that full coverage. Okay guys, so now that we're done with the foundation, we're gonna go in with the concealer, you know? So I'm just gonna be applying the concealer, and same concealer as before, Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender again. I'm just gonna start blending out everything. The under eyes are gonna be last. Okay guys, so next up, I know it doesn't seem like it, but around here, around my ear, my ears, like right here inside, you can definitely see that the product hasn't like sat in there. So I'm just gonna take a concealer brush, and I'm just gonna take some of the concealer from the wand, and I'm just gonna work my concealer into my nose. So most of the time, my nose is like the oily part of my face, so I really want to make sure that I, you know, head that in good and blend it out. And blend it again. Keep on blending. This is the only cream contour that I own as of right now, so I'm just gonna take it with another concealer brush, and I'm just going to dab it, draw a line, dab it, over my beauty blender because the set is already dark. So we're gonna go back in the concealer, we're gonna blend that out, and I'm gonna be using my Coty Airspun in the translucent shade. So it's this shade right here. And we're gonna just be blending out the creases. Look up, don't look down. And I'm just going to be setting my my entire face with this. Meanwhile, we're letting my face bake. I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow. So first off, I'm just gonna prime my eyes with this the same concealer that I use for my under eyes and to highlight my face. So honestly, I don't know where I'm gonna go with this look. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this palette, which is such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palette. We're gonna go in with this shade called Koi, which is this one down here. Next up, I'm gonna be taking another blending brush, and I'm gonna be going in with the shade Admire, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna go in with another fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with Flirt, which is this really pretty pink shade right here. Concealer brush, and I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my crease halfway. So I'm going to be taking this shade called Romance from the palette, which is this one down here, and I'm just going to be going in right in here with this brush. I'm sorry, the light keeps like adjusting and it's getting kind of cool. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking this glitter by NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to be taking the glitter, the actual glitter. So taking the glitter glue, I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand again, and I'm going to be just taking some and applying it like if I would apply my concealer. And then I'm just going to be applying it directly to the glitter glue now that it has kind of dried. Brush one more time. That's the one that came with my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just gonna be taking Admire, which was the transition shade that we used in case I didn't say, and I'm just going to be blending out the crease one more time with that color. I'm just gonna be coloring my lashes, and I'm gonna be applying some mascara. I'm going to be taking my Ardell lashes. These are in Tube 4. These are the lashes. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to be wiping away my bake. Taking my Shade and Light palette to contour. And I'm going to be taking this contour brush. I'm going to be taking the middle shade. Next up, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild contouring duo. And this is in the shade Caramel Toffee. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this angled brush, which is right here. And I'm just going to be taking the dark shade, and I'm just going to be bronzing up the face. I don't have a blush on me because I'm on my sister, so I'm just going to be using this shade right here as blush. And I'm just going to be tapping this on to this brush, and I'm just going to be applying that only on the apples of my cheeks. Thank you. What the hell happened? I'm gonna take this Laura Geller highlighter. It's a Baked Marble Eyeshadow Duo, but I use this as an eyeshadow because it's so freaking pigmented and beautiful. So I'm gonna be using this Real Techniques setting brush, and then I'm just gonna be picking up product and highlighting.
This.
No, let me go change you. You guys already know how I do my eyebrows, so I'm just going to skip through this part, and I'm going to be taking my NYX and caviar and Whipped Caviar, and I'm just going to be lining my lips again. So I'm going to be taking my lip gloss in the shade Sugar from Marc Jacobs. I'm just going to be applying this right on top of my lips. And then on top, I'm just gonna be adding this Too Faced lip injections. Okay, you guys, so this is my final look. I hope that you enjoyed this look that I just came up with right now. I enjoy doing looks for you guys. So this look you can do a proms or quinces. I'm probably thinking this is what I'm gonna do for my 18th birthday because you know. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much. I did not put setting spray on today because I completely forgot, but usually the setting spray that I would use is my Fix Plus or the Mario Badescu Lavender or Rose Water. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you can see when I upload my next post. Please excuse the background. I'm sorry. But thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.